Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Tails OS 6.17 on VirtualBox. First, go to Tails official website, that is tails.net, and download. Then click on install Tails. See here, the latest release is Tails 6.17. Scroll down. Then click on burning a Tails DVD. See here, we have the Tails OS 6.1 ISO image. If you want to download direct, you have to click on download. But if you want to download by using torrent, click on this BitTorrent link. It will download the BitTorrent link. I am going to download by using direct method. So click on download Tails 6.17 ISO image. Wait a moment, see download started. See here its size is 1.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Okay. Once the download completes, then open the VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then check this video description. There you can find how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating system. So open VirtualBox. Then click on new or go to machine and select new to create the virtual machine. Then provide the name. I am giving Tails 617 VMO. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then go to the folder or the path where you have the announced page. Select the folder, then select the downloaded Tails OS ISO image. Click on other, then go to downloads. See here I have the Tails OS ISO image. Select it, click on open. See, once you select it, type change it to Linux, subtype to Debian, and version is Debian 64-bit. Okay. Then select this skip unattended installation. Then come to hardware. See, by default memory selected 2 gigabytes. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU cores by default it is 1. I am giving 2. Then go to hard disk. I have given 50 gigabytes. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. See, this is the virtual machine settings. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, select the virtual machine from this list. Then click on settings. Or right click and go to settings, or just select it on machine and settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then right click and select the start and normal start, or just click on start to install. Maximize it and use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 6.17. Hit enter. Now see here we have to configure language and formats, persistent storage and additional settings. Okay. See, by default language selected English United States. Keyboard also English US. Formats same. Okay. I'm okay with this one. If you want to change like language, you can click and you can search. Then you have to select. Okay. I'm okay with that one. If you want to create persistent storage, you have to turn on this one. Just click on here. Okay. Then additional settings. Click on this plus button to set the additional settings like administration password, MAC address, anonymization, offline mode, unsafe browser, and network connection. I want to only configure this administration password. By default it is off. So click on it to turn on, then set the password. Confirm the same. Then click on add. See here it is on. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start Tails. Close this one. See, we got the window tar connection. If you want to connect tar automatically, you have to select this checkbox and click on connect to tar. See, now it is connecting to tar without bridges. Okay, now open terminal. Go to applications. See here, these are the default applications that comes with Tails OS. Open terminal. If you want to increase the font size, go to preferences. Then unnamed. Then select custom font. Increase it. Select it. Close this one. More /etc OS-release. See, we have installed Tails OS 6.17. If you to click Ctrl A. See, successfully connected. Click on start tar browser. See, we got the tar browser. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tails OS 6.17 on VirtualBox. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.